Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of proteins, which is the second essential macronutrient our body needs for survival. From the molecular building blocks in our cells to the nutritious elements on our plates, proteins play a crucial role in our lives and in building muscle. So, let's start learning about proteins. First up, let's talk about protein structure and function. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which link together to form complex structures. These structures can be primary, secondary, tertiary, or quaternary. Think of them like the levels of a video game. Each level gets more complex and exciting. They fold in unique ways to perform specific functions, but when they fold incorrectly, it can lead to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. These are called protein aggregation diseases, which occur when proteins clump together abnormally. Other genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia are also caused by faulty proteins. Once we eat proteins, our bodies break them down through digestion. Enzymes in our stomach and intestines work hard to turn proteins into amino acids, which our bodies then use for various functions. It's like a recycling plant turning old materials into new products. Now let's move on to protein synthesis. This is how our bodies make proteins. The process starts with DNA being transcribed into mRNA, which then travels to ribosomes. Here, tRNA helps assemble amino acids into a protein. It's like a high-tech factory working tirelessly to keep us healthy. There are many types of proteins with different roles. Structural proteins like collagen give strength to our skin and bones. Transport proteins like hemoglobin carry oxygen in our blood. And hormonal proteins like insulin regulate blood sugar levels. All of these are essential for our nutrition. Good sources include animal products like egg whites, which are almost pure protein, milk, fish, seafood, and plant-based options like peanut butter, which is packed with protein and healthy fats. Many lean meats and poultry like beef, pork, chicken, and turkey are great sources of protein. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegetarian, there's a protein source for you. All of these foods are necessary for building and repairing muscle tissue, and for providing structural support to other parts of your body, like your hair, skin, and nails. These benefits make protein-rich foods essential for athletes, as they will help them build muscle and recover faster. Speaking of athletes, many like using various protein supplements to boost protein intake. Some examples include whey protein, casein, and plant-based proteins, which are great for athletes who need that extra protein because of long hours of training. But remember, balance is key. Too much protein can strain your kidneys. This is why taking protein supplements is not really necessary if you aren't involved in much physical activity, and it could even be harmful. Proteomics is the study of proteins on a large scale. Scientists use techniques like mass spectrometry and Western blotting to analyze proteins. This helps in understanding diseases and developing new treatments. The field is growing rapidly and holds great promise for the future. In biotechnology, we can engineer proteins to create new materials, develop drugs, and even produce biofuels. For example, recombinant proteins are made by inserting human genes into bacteria, which then produce the proteins we need, like insulin for diabetes treatment. Lastly, let's consider the environmental and ethical aspects of protein production. Animal farming has a significant environmental impact, but innovations like lab-grown meat and insect protein offer sustainable alternatives. It's all about making choices that are good for us and the planet. That's a wrap on our journey through the world of proteins. From their structure and function to their role in our diet and health, proteins are truly fascinating and helpful for repair in our bodies. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content and health tips. Until next time, stay curious.